Ready to light up your Minecraft world with spectacular explosions? Let's craft some amazing fireworks. First things first, you'll need a crafting table. In your crafting table, place 1 paper and 1 gunpowder in any arrangement. This creates a basic firework rocket. This rocket, when launched, will produce a simple explosion, but we can make it so much more exciting. To add color and shape to your fireworks, you'll need dyes. Gather up a selection of different colored dyes from your world. Now, back to the crafting table, place your paper, gunpowder, and a single dye. This will give you a firework rocket with a colored explosion. Want even more dazzling effects? You can combine multiple dyes. Place your paper, gunpowder, and then 2 or more different colored dyes in the crafting grid. This will create a firework rocket that explodes in multiple colors. You can also add firework stars for even more elaborate patterns. To make a firework star, simply place a dye in the crafting table. Then, you can combine this firework star with your paper and gunpowder to create very specific explosion shapes and colors. Experiment with different combinations of dyes and firework stars to create truly unique displays. Once you have your desired firework rockets, simply hold one in your hand and right-click to launch them into the sky. Get ready for some stunning visuals.